I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning. The corn market, we get about a 2-cent range every night, so there's not a lot going on in corn. Perhaps the weather will influence corn and or what wheat or soybean does trading here. Short covering, we talk about short covering every week, and short covering only lasts until the positions are squared. So for example, short covering is not going to continue to drive the soybean market higher because you don't have China in here buying U.S. soybeans like they have in previous years. So we've had a perfect start to spring planting here and a not so perfect end to spring planting. Kansas and Missouri are both about 30% planted on their soybeans. Also, Nebraska's behind on their soybean planting. So this is a short-term concern for the market. Do not bet against the U.S. farmer. They will get these soybeans planted, and also these states, they do harvest beans in October and November. So soybean oils had a gigantic rally. I doubt that soybean oil rally can hold in here. There's not a shortage of soy anything in the world today. We have a chart of soybean meal here today, and you can see this is real impressive. Soybean meal in China is at a 5-year low, and here we are. We have strong global soybean meal demand in our country. So you can see the market trying to rally higher. We're consolidating in here. We'll get the crush data on Monday, July 15th, and again, the demand for soybean meal is very strong, so we'll keep talking about that. El Nino, you hear a lot about El Nino, and it is a global phenomena, and El Nino is supposed to bring ample rains to the Corn Belt. This is what we're getting here this year so far, and also should hold back drought conditions here in July and August. El Nino is a global event, like I mentioned, so it affects Australia, which is a big wheat producer, and also India, which can affect cotton and rice. So going forward here, what can drive the markets? There's two key things, and that'll be acreage. We'll get a June 30th acreage report, and then yield, and we won't know yields. Corn pollinates in July typically, and soybean pollinates in August. So China's going to have 640 million middle class by the year 2022. This is twice the population of USA. Their middle class is going to have disposable income, and their diets are going to change more like ours. Hence, the demand for our grain is growing at a daily pace. Have a nice weekend. On futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.